Are you ready to take your dirt bike racing to the next level? Meet the GT369K and GT569KE tires, both engineered to enhance your performance in the 140/80/18 category, each offering unique advantages tailored to different racing needs. First, we have the GT569KE, designed specifically for FEM rally races. This tire features 13mm knobs, providing exceptional agility and precision in fast sections. Its specialized design allows it to absorb obstacles efficiently, ensuring a smooth ride even in the most challenging terrains. On the other hand, the GT369K is optimized for cross-country races. This tire prioritizes stability and control with 15mm knobs and a low sidewall. Paired with powerful bikes, the GT369K provides exceptional stability, particularly during jumps and technical maneuvers. Both tires excel in high-speed, long-distance racing, but cater to different riding styles. The GT569KE shines in absorbing obstacles and tackling fast sections with ease, while the GT369K offers superior control and stability. As usual, for the best performance, choose the best G-Moose. Perfect pressure and right bump absorption are crucial and determine your results. For the GT369K, choose G-Moose 2011N, and for the GT56KE, choose G-Moose 2014N. This way, you will bring your riding to another level of safety and performance. Remember to check out the full range of Goldentyre's products at www.goldentyreworld.com, where you can find the full range and find your best combo. Download the Goldentyre app, available for free for iOS and Android. Enter in the Goldentyre world and get your Goldentyre tire and move your experience at another level. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more racing tips and gear recommendations. Leave your questions and doubts in the comments below. Here at Goldentyre, we are more than happy to give you the best instruments to fight in your battlefield.